video is all about my lipstick collections. I'm going to smudge all of them for you on my hands as well as on my lips. So let's get started. Friends, first lipstick is Nykaa. This is Nykaa liquid matte lipstick. It is a long lasting liquid lipstick. You can see I have already applied on my hands the shade. So beautiful and lovely. It even suits for all the skin tones. It does not dry easily. So now I'm going to apply on my lips. Coming to the next lipstick is Maybelline. This is a coral kind color lipstick, orange color. It's a creamy matte finish lipstick. If you're going for any casual look, you can apply on your lips. Now you can have a look on the shade after applying on my lips. So guys, coming to my next lipstick is also Maybelline. This is a bold matte finish lipstick. Mostly I prefer to use Maybelline brand. In this video, friends, you will be getting all the reviews for different sets of Maybelline. So let's start. Get applying this, guys. You can just see. This is a dark nude color lipstick of Maybelline. If you are planning to go for any date or parties, so we can apply this lipstick. And those who prefer mostly to wear dark color lipsticks, they can go for it. Guys, coming to my next lipstick, this is of Nykaa. Let me show you the shade of this lipstick. This is of Nykaa, and you can just have a look. This is creamy matte finish Nykaa brand. This is of Dress to Kill. It's like a reddish lipstick of Nykaa. So it's a lovely color because we mostly know red color suits for every skin tone. So if you're going for outing or any parties, we can apply this lipstick. So let's have a look. Coming to the next lipstick is of Maybelline Lip Gradation lipstick. So this is the color shade I'm applying over my hands. You can have the look. It's a nude, completely nude color, like light kind nude lipstick, and is matte finish lipstick. It's a lovely color for everyone and for all the skin tones. We can wear this for office wear, for casual look, with all dresses. So let's have a look. The next lipstick is also Maybelline. This is a Super Stay Matte Finish Lipstick. So let's get started with the color shade. The shade is kind of mauve. It's kind of mauve color, like violet shade. It's a liquid lipstick. And does not dry up easily. Even long lasting lipstick. Let's have a look. Now guys, coming to the next lipstick is Sugar lipstick. It is a liquid matte lip. So this is like purple color, like dark fuchsia pink color Sugar lipstick. It's completely liquid matte finish lipstick, and it's a lovely beautiful color. If you want to go for any parties, outing, and those who like mostly dark color, they can go for it. The only demerit is that it gets easily dry up. So before applying the lipstick, we need to apply any lip balm. Else it's a very lovely and beautiful color set. Coming to the last lipstick, this is of also Maybelline Magenta Pink lipstick. This is a creamy pink lipstick. It's a lovely fuchsia pink color, light fuchsia pink. So just can look the shade. It goes for all skin tones and for all dresses, even for office outing. Let's have the look. If you guys liked and enjoyed my video, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment which is your favorite lipstick. Thank you. Stay tuned for next videos. Bye.